Digital delusions, because who needs real customers anyway? So, you want to up your digital game, huh? Well, look no further than Atomiqx Technologies, the self-proclaimed digital wizards of the century. We're not your run-of-the-mill web designers. Oh no, we're more like the digital equivalent of Da Vinci. Imagine this, your website, but actually cool. No, really. We'll make it look so good even your grandma would be impressed. Atomiqx Technologies specializes in creating visually stunning websites that leave a lasting impression on your audience. But we don't stop there. We've got this thing called digital marketing figured out. It's like magic, but with data and stuff. Our team of experts will help you navigate the digital landscape and create effective marketing strategies that drive results. Say goodbye to being a digital nobody and join the big leagues. Ready to take your brand to new heights? Contact us today at info@atomiqx.com or visit our website at www.atomiqx.com to learn more. With Atomiqx Technologies, it's a digital roller coaster you won't want to miss. Buckle up and let's paint your brand's digital masterpiece together.